Imagine someone says, "My business really took off last year." Do you think the business got on an airplane?
Probably not.
Exactly. Take off is a very common phrasal verb, and it has several different meanings.
And today, we're going to learn the most useful ones with simple examples.
Welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Let's begin with the easiest meaning.
When an airplane leaves the ground and starts flying, we say the airplane takes off.
For example, our plane takes off at 9 in the morning.
Or, the plane took off 10 minutes late.
Notice the past tense. Take becomes took, so we say the plane took off.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. The plane takes off at 6.
The plane took off on time.
Great! Now let's learn another very common meaning.
Take off can mean to remove something you are wearing.
For example, please take off your shoes.
Or, he took off his jacket because it was warm.
Here's an important pattern. You can say, take off your jacket.
And you can also say, take your jacket off.
Both are correct.
But if you use a pronoun like it, the pronoun usually goes in the middle.
So we say, take it off.
Not take off it.
Let's practice. It's warm, take off your coat.
It's warm, take your coat off.
It's warm, take it off.
Excellent. So far we have two meanings, an airplane leaving the ground and removing clothes or accessories.
But take off can also describe something becoming successful very quickly.
And that meaning is very useful in everyday English.
Imagine a small online business sells only 10 products in its first month, then suddenly thousands of people start buying.
We can say the business took off.
Here, take off means to become successful, popular, or grow very quickly.
For example, her new podcast really took off.
Or, the app took off after people started sharing it online.
You can also say his career took off after his first major project.
Let's practice. Repeat, her business took off quickly.
The new product is starting to take off.
Great. Now let's learn another meaning.
Take off can also mean to leave suddenly or quickly.
For example, he took off without saying goodbye.
Or, I saw Daniel for a minute, but then he took off.
In informal English, this is a natural way to say someone left.
Imagine your friend asks, "Where's John?"
You might answer, he took off about 10 minutes ago.
Simple and natural.
Now, here is one more very useful expression. Take time off.
This means to stop working or studying for a period of time.
For example, I'm taking Friday off.
That means you will not work on Friday.
You can also say, she took a week off to rest.
Or, I need to take some time off.
Notice that we usually say take time off, take a day off, or take a week off.
Let's practice. I'm taking Monday off.
He took 2 days off last week.
Nice work. You now know 5 useful ways to understand take off.
Let's review them before we finish with a full conversation.
Quick review. What does take off mean in this sentence? The plane took off at 8.
It means the airplane left the ground.
Good. What about take off your shoes, please?
Remove your shoes.
Her new business really took off.
It became successful very quickly.
He took off before dinner.
He left quickly.
And I'm taking next Friday off.
You're not going to work that day.
Enthusiastically excellent. Now here's your speaking challenge.
Make 3 sentences using take off with 3 different meanings.
For example, our flight takes off at 7.
I took off my jacket.
Her channel really took off this year.
Say your sentences aloud. Speaking aloud helps you remember new expressions more naturally.
And now, let's hear all of these meanings in one natural conversation.
Hey Alex, are you working tomorrow?
No, I'm taking the day off. I'm flying to visit my sister.
Nice. What time does your plane take off?
At 8:30 in the morning, so I have to wake up early.
I hope your flight is smooth.
Thanks. By the way, did you see Emma's new online store?
Yes, it really took off this month. She said she has hundreds of new customers.
That's amazing. She worked on it for a long time.
She did. Oh, it's warm in here.
You can take off your jacket if you want.
Good idea. I should probably take it off before I start melting.
Definitely.
Are you staying for dinner?
I can't. I need to take off soon because I still have to pack.
No problem. Have a great trip.
Thanks.
Today you learned how one small phrasal verb can have several useful meanings.
Keep practicing take off in your own sentences and listen for it when you hear English in real life.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to English Through Book Ideas for more simple, practical English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, Can you write one sentence using take off?
See you in the next lesson.